everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on umbrella. An umbrella is a handy tool that helps protect us from rain or the sun. It usually has a canopy made of waterproof material to keep us dry in the rain. Umbrellas come in various colors, sizes, and designs, adding a touch of personal style. Some umbrellas are compact and foldable, making them easy to carry in bags. The structure of an umbrella typically consists of ribs connected to a central pole. Opening and closing an umbrella is a simple yet effective mechanism. On sunny days, umbrellas with UV protection provide shade and block harmful rays. Umbrellas are not only practical but can also be fashionable accessories. In many cultures, umbrellas symbolize protection and are used in various ceremonies. Whether in a sudden downpour or scorching sun, an umbrella is a reliable companion for staying comfortable and dry. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.